Does this work? Let's get in closer with the pups. Alright, so decisions have been made. There are flood warnings and thunderstorms out in Jackson, so we are gonna pass on going there. Sadly, Grand Tetons was like the #1 thing I wanted to see again on this adventure, but we'll make up for it. We're hanging out in southern Idaho, northern Utah for the next like 2 days before we have to be in Park City, and let's see where this adventure takes us. You excited? Are you excited? I think they're excited. We're having a bit of a standoff right now. Oh, strat jumps. It's a quick one. I promise. I promise. Just let's go. You'll have fun. We have just arrived in Twin Falls, Idaho, and it is raining. I checked the weather. It should only be raining for probably another 45 minutes, maybe an hour. So we're gonna sit this out for a little bit and just hang out, rest, and see if this passes so we can walk around and check out these falls. We're right at the point. You wanna do that? Zeus, yes! More. Let's just hang out for a minute, okay? Okay, we'll play a game.
Soon after.
I'm really glad we waited because now it is a beautiful day outside. Hold on, I just want to show them. And then I'll grab the pups. It's still a little wet out. Can you see? Chill. Reminds me a lot of the time that I was at Niagara Falls. And there's a walkway that goes all the way to the edge right here. Yeah. Once again, you park your car, walk down 10 steps, and here you are. Always nice to get those simple views. What do you think? Hey, Zeus. They don't care. They just want to run around in that field right there. Alright, the sun showed its face for a few minutes, just enough for us to check out the falls. And then these clouds showed up and it's starting to drizzle a bit. So we're gonna head out. Pups! Hi, Pup! I always say I eat really poorly on these road trips, and I do. I stopped up at Wendy's. I don't see it very often in LA, and it was just kind of hit me in the right spot. And I got the pups a burger for them to share as well. Hopefully they like it. It's their first Wendy's. Guys, I have a present for you. Who's ready to present? Look at this. Okay, hold on. All right, we got a plain cheeseburger for them. Ow. Yum, Sedona, you beat your bro. Finally arrived in the hotel after driving about 4 hours today. It wasn't too bad, but going through some rain and stopping off and trying to figure out where we were going to end up. So we're just a little bit north of Salt Lake City and just east of Salt Lake, which hopefully we'll check out tomorrow. And here's the difference of the two pups. Zeus sleeps in the back and Sedona stays awake the whole time. Look at that tongue.